Welcome to another gateway coding tutorial video. We're going to show you how to reset your CI5000 series printer to default and saving and restoring the backups. The first thing you want to do before we do the reset is save the backup file. So you come into Properties, hit your File, and then create your backup right over here. Now it's going to put a new backup file in it right there. So then after we're done doing the reset, when you come into the Properties, then hit your Files again, go to Backups, select the backup file that you just made, and then hit Restore Backup right there. Hit the Restore Backup, and that's going to put everything back. That'll put all your settings back in there so you don't have what they were set to. Alright, now you're going to want to shut off your machine, and while it's shut off, you're going to move a jumper from this location here to this location here where it says default. Then you're going to power up your machine and let it do the boot up. Once again, that's from this location to right here where it says default. Then once your machine completely boots up, you're going to want to shut it back down and move that jumper back into that location, and then start it back up again. That will restore everything. Then you're going to have to go back in there and do that restore on your backup file. Alright, if you got any questions, give us a call.